Well, today I'm at the Maydene again, but this time I've booked their one of their newer rooms, the family room. Basically, they've done this is the other side of the Maydene of the new hotel that they've merged together now. So yeah, this is the family room. Let's take a look, shall we? Of course, you've got the bed, lovely bed there. Let's head straight. So yeah, you got sheet and mattress encasement there as well. So you've got the bedside lamp there, and drawers. Handy little drawer that, and excuse my baggage, and you've got a shoe rack as well there, and bag rack, so you can put your shoes on there. You've got extra blankets there as well, and hangers and coat hooks there, and then lovely picture with the donkeys. Then you've got this single bed as well, and again mattress encasement, and the pillows are nice and firm. Of course, a lot of you will know that I've stayed here, this be 4th time now. So, and got this desk area as well, excuse my breakfast. We've got a lovely chair there. We've got hairdryer there. Lovely deep drawers. There. And then you've got this lovely big mirror. And then chairs. Got a bin there. Double plug socket as well. And these windows, and as you can see, we got the tower, not the tower, the end of South Pier there as well. So yeah, and you can also watch the light show from here as well when they do light show. So lovely curtains, thick curtains as well. So yeah, got chairs. Then you've got another bedside table here again, and this radiator, a wall radiator, and you got double plug socket there with USB as well there, and you got this, it's like a shelf as well, and then got TV there. I have put it on, needs updating, so update it. So yeah, it's already on. And then got another double plug socket there as well, the USB. Let's see if kettle's clean. Yeah. And then double plug socket there, and fridge as well, and a couple of bottles of water, tea, coffee, biscuits, milk, glasses, and your floor towel and other towels there, and bin as well. Let's have a look in here. So this is the bathroom. This is Bluetooth mirror, which as well you can do the steam and the lights as well. So you can make it white or blue. So yeah, and then you got sink there, cupboard with air freshener, bleach, toilet rolls, and a sink cupboard there as well, and shower. And you've got shower gel, shampoo, and the shower head is clean, so nice little shower. And then you've got a bin there with toilet roll. Let's check toilet's clean. Of course it is. And then you've got toilet brush there. So yeah. Also there is a new games room as well in the other side. So you've got darts here. You've got pool as well. If you pool cues and chalk as well. And then you've got a gaming section as well, which they will get switched on if needed. And then also out there you got the ramp section. So yeah, you got Super Mario there, Pac-Man, Street Fighter 2, Space Invaders, got the stool as well, and then you got Space Invaders, Multicade, so I gather that's thingy, but they're all free play as well. And then you got this toilet as well, which I think is absolutely brilliant. It's Achieve 5 as well. But yeah, so this is for the bar area. So got cold cans, £1 each there as well. And a sofa. Got a stage. Got TV there. And then you got your DJ area as well. So yeah, I think, and that, so the conservatory bit looks good as well. There's a water feature there. Yeah, looks really good compared to what it was like when I was last here in the beginning of August, I think it was. So yeah, this has come on ever so nicely, ever so nicely. So again, you got chocolate bars there, 50p each, and packets of crisp as well, 50p. So yeah, so that is the games room and the bar area. Right, Rachel's kind enough to open her green room. That's at the front as well. And there's that water feature, lovely water feature. So yeah, so you got the sofa, you got the buffet, as I call it, little chair, table, and another sofa, leather sofa. I do apologise, it's dark because it is dark outside. And also, like, this is going to be absolutely amazing sunroom in the summer. So, right, wow, if we head this way as well, basically these nice people have actually allowed me to do this as well. As you can see, they're all using the gaming, and this is all free as well. So so this is all free to use. So if you're staying at the Maydene, you can actually use your well, play these machines. So yeah, I thought I'd show you that, and thank you everybody for being on the video. I paid £160 for 2 nights. My son's coming to stay with me as well, so yeah, it's like, I think it's quite a good bargain for like 3 people as well. So, but yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.